In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paraphrase in Grammarly. If you've ever stared at a sentence and thought, this feature is going to be your new favorite tool. Paraphrasing in Grammarly helps you say the same idea more clearly, more naturally, or with a different tone while keeping your original meaning intact. Start by highlighting the exact sentence or paragraph you want to change. Be intentional with your selection, choose only the part that needs a refresh. If you are working around quotations, citations, or specific terms that must stay the same, leave those out of your highlight so Grammarly focuses on the words you actually want to adjust. The more precise your highlight, the more accurate the suggestions will be. Once your text is highlighted, look for the small pop-up that appears near your selection. Click Rephrase. It may be labeled Rephrase, or you might see a magic wand icon. This opens Grammarly's suggestions, giving you reworded versions of your text that preserve the message while altering structure, word choice, or flow. You'll usually see several ideas, ranging from subtle tweaks to more substantial rewrites. Next, choose the tone or style that best fits your goal. Options like humanize, academic, or concise help tailor the rewrite to your audience. Humanize is great when your writing feels stiff and you want it to sound more natural and conversational. Academic tightens the wording and elevates the formality for research papers or professional documents. Concise trims extra words to make your point quickly and clearly. Think about who will read your work and select the tone that aligns with their expectations. When you find a suggestion you like, click it to insert the text and replace your original. Take a moment to read it in context with the sentences before and after to make sure the flow feels right and the meaning is accurate. If the suggestion is close but not perfect, feel free to tweak a word or two to better match your voice. And if none of the options hit the mark, click Rephrase again to generate a fresh set of alternatives. Iterating a couple of times usually surfaces a version that works perfectly. That's all you need to paraphrase confidently in Grammarly. Highlight. Click Rephrase. Select your tone and insert or refine. With a few thoughtful choices, you'll keep your message clear while elevating the way it reads. Thanks for watching.